The opera's down that way. The end of the street's down that way. As you can see, this is one of those intersections with no lights, no signs, no nothing. Everybody just does what they do. I actually saw a Bentley the other day, which I thought was pretty amazing. Some brave souls crossing the street, so I will too. Alright, so as you can see, the sun's out. It's supposed to be raining buckets today, but it's not. Alright. Difficult negotiations here. Okay, so here's Zara. We're going to go by. This is the entrance to the club. See, you'd have to know where it was to know how to get there. And around that little corner, past this golden age, is the Van Gogh art store. Anyway, we're going to walk up this street, and you'll never know that there's an art school up here. Oh, that's kind of cool. That looks like, but it's not. Okay, so the trees are trying their best, but it may be a little early. I still have 2 layers on, so it's not that warm. So I saw a cat this morning that was so dirty. It was yellow. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, so when I came to look for this place the other day, you come up here and then you take a left down the boulevard of broken dreams. Alright, now, so far, no signs. Sign for a taxi. And some other signs. Anyway, so at first I thought it was that way. But that way goes nowhere. And so then I thought it was this building, but that's not it. Anyway, so we walk up this alley. This takes a minute or two. And those are students sitting up there ahead eating their lunch. And I know they're students because that's where all the students hang out and have lunch. But it's kind of late for lunch, actually. It's 2:15 or so. Anyway, go around the corner. We're almost there. Believe it or not. I bet these are really pretty in the summer. All these grapevines. Anyway. So we can go the rough way, or my preferred way, the way with a little bit of paving. So, here we are. Believe it or not, guys will have to get used to this change. So, here we are, an empty hall, door that leads back outside. This door goes to where the party was, and this door goes inside the school. It's very thick with smoke in here, and the dog's not here. Oh my gosh. Hi. How are you? I'm good. I'm filming for home.
Great.